For 48a, we need to start by putting our equation in point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We are given a point to use, so I take out the y1 and put in the y, which is 3. We are also given the slope, which is m, so I take out m, put in 1/2. We are also given an x, so I take out the x sub 1 and put in -4. When I put in -4, it turns into +4. There's my equation in point-slope form. To put it in slope-intercept form, I need to get y alone. So I'm going to start by distributing. Y minus 3 equals 1/2 x plus 2. I distributed my half all the way through. To get the y alone, I need to add 3 to both sides. Y equals 1/2 x plus 5. That is slope-intercept form. To get it into standard form, I need to get x and y on the same side and get rid of fractions. So I'm going to subtract 1/2 an x first to get my x and y on the same side. -1/2 x plus y equals 5. And I need to get rid of my fractions. I also can't have this being negative, my a being negative, my first term, so I'm going to multiply by -2. That will clean out the fractions and take care of that negative. When I multiply by -2, I get x minus 2y equals -10. Be careful to distribute all the way through. So this is point-slope form, slope-intercept form, and standard form.